There you go, guys. This is my hair. I really don't apply anything on it.
I mean, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, it's me. I win. You lose. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Guys, so today we're gonna be doing something interesting. I want to show you my hair. Do you see how it looks? You'll see. So literally I'll just kind of be proving to you guys that my hair naturally is curly, because people don't believe me when I say that my hair is curly naturally, and they were like, I'm applying stuff and I'm doing things. I'm like, guys, no, it's naturally curly. Like, look at it. So I'm gonna wash it in front of you guys so you can see that it's curly, and I'm gonna show you how I wash it. Maybe you can also get it to be curly by the way that I wash my hair. I don't know. So what I do is I take ordinary bar soap, like literally any bar soap, and I put it in water. I get it wet. You see? Oh, she's super psycho, little psycho, right now she's screaming, no, 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 no. Oh, he's super psycho, when you go, no, 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 no. You see? And then I just apply it on my hair, and I put a little bit of water on my hair so my hair is wet. See, you just applied on the hair. You just want to apply a lot. Then you see, scramble it. You scrub, scrub, you scrub, you scrub, you scrub. I see a lot of hair growth though. My hair is grown, man. And then after doing that, you just wash your hair to remove the soap. Hair. Okay, the sides are a little bit too small to come out curly, but I dry everything. And then there you go, guys. Like literally, that's my hair. The sides, just dry them, and there you go, guys. This is my hair. I really don't apply anything on it. And I comb the sides so that the sides see. Comb them. Sides combed, and then I just wipe off. I need to go get my hair cut. And guys, there you go. Curls all natural. Let me just do a quick turn. Oh my god. And yeah, guys, that's how I get my hair to be curly. Just use normal bar soap and nothing else, and try. Maybe I'll come out as well curly. Who knows? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and love you so much for watching. Mwah, peace out.